Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll cover 3 important subsections of the property detail settings: Gallery Popup, Overview section, and Energy class. These options control how your property images are displayed, what key data appears in the overview area, and how energy efficiency information is presented to your visitors. Let's jump in. The first subsection is Gallery Popup. This is where you configure how the image lightbox behaves when a visitor clicks on a property photo. You have 2 options for the Gallery lightbox. Houzez built-in, this is the default lightbox that comes with the theme, fully integrated and ready to use out of the box. Photo Swipe, a popular touch-friendly lightbox library that works especially well on mobile devices, with smooth swipe gestures between images. Choose the one that best fits your site's user experience. For most projects, the Houzez built-in option works great. If your audience is primarily mobile users, Photo Swipe might be the better choice. The second option is Exclude Featured Image from Gallery. This avoids showing the same image twice, once as the main thumbnail and again inside the Gallery slideshow. Next, let's look at the Overview section. This controls the small summary bar that typically appears just below the property banner, showing key property data at a glance. The first setting is Property ID. You can choose to show or hide the property ID in the section header. This is useful if your clients reference listings by ID, but you may want to hide it for a cleaner, more consumer-facing presentation. Below that, you'll find the Overview Data Composer, another drag-and-drop tool that lets you choose which data points appear in the overview bar and in what order. Then you have 2 additional settings. Overview section columns in a row. Currently set to 6 columns, meaning all 6 enabled items will appear side by side in a single row. You can reduce this number if you prefer a more stacked layout. Overview V2 height. This controls the height of the overview section when using the V2 layout style. Adjust this value if you need more or less vertical space for the overview bar. The third subsection is Energy class. This is particularly relevant if you're building real estate sites for European markets, where energy efficiency ratings are a legal requirement for property listings. Let's go through each setting. Energy class mode. This mode displays 2 separate rating scales side by side, the DPE energy consumption and GES greenhouse gas emissions, which is the standard format used in France and many other EU countries. You can change this to a simpler single-column mode if your market doesn't require dual ratings. Energy classes. Here you define the labels for each energy class, entered as a comma-separated list. Customize this list to match the rating scale used in your target market. GHG emissions classes. This field is specific to the French EU dual-column mode and defines the greenhouse gas emissions rating labels. Finally, you have color pickers for each class, from Class 1 through Class 10, and GHG class from Class 1 to 7. As you can see, the colors follow a standard traffic light scale, going from green for the most efficient classes down to red for the least efficient ones. You can customize each color to match your branding or the official color scale required in your country. Stay tuned for the next tutorial, and if you found this helpful, like and subscribe. See you next time, and for more, visit houzez.co.